Looking to the future, we needed to identify any areas to help increase quality while still bringing down costs. At URB-E, we partnered with our local manufacturer, Millbury Machine Works, to keep an eye out for any emerging technologies that could help address these concerns. John sent me an intriguing voice message on how to accomplish both of these goals utilizing SOLIDWORKS Model-Based Definition, or MBD for short. Let's take a quick look at what John had to say.
Hey guys, just checking to see if you received your order yet. On another note, I just finished up a job where one of my customers sent me their SOLIDWORKS model, get this, without a drawing. The first time I'd seen this, and no kidding, all the dimensions that you would normally see on a drawing were on the model instead. They called it Model-Based Definition, or MBD for short, and when I took a look at it, I was shocked to find out what SOLIDWORKS CAM could do with it. You have a few minutes, let me show you how this works. I think you're really going to like it. So here's a simple example of what I'm talking about. I've added dim expert dimensions to this plate, and I want you to focus on the holes. So I easily defined rules for different machining operations to occur based on the tolerance of the hole diameter. So take a look. The hole diameter tolerance is plus or minus 10 thousandths. I can choose to run tolerance-based machining within SOLIDWORKS CAM, and when I do, the correct machining operations are applied to hold that tolerance. In this case, a center drill and drill operation. The hole diameter is now plus or minus 5 thousandths. And the new machining operations are center drill, drill, and bore. The hole diameter is now plus or minus 2 thousandths. And the new machining operations are center drill, drill, and ream. Today I've learned that tolerance-based machining is included in every seat of SOLIDWORKS CAM. I really can't believe what I discovered here. I thought I would share this with you because when you adopt this new technology, my turnaround times will drop even more. I hope you found this helpful. Imagine the time and money you could save if you no longer had to create a drawing. And with SOLIDWORKS CAM, any changes you make to the tolerancing information, update my toolpaths, and automatically reselects the correct machining operation to hold that new tolerance. Gentlemen, I think we can shrink your turnaround times even further if we embrace the model-based enterprise way of doing things. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon.
By utilizing a model-centric approach, you can drastically reduce the programming time for machined parts and more efficiently convey your design intent. SOLIDWORKS CAM automatically reads this critical information and programs the machining process to account for this design intent, reducing the amount of rework in the G-code program. Keep watching this series to see how URB-E moved from concept to consumer, leveraging the SOLIDWORKS solution.